This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by CJ Howell. Welcome home to this lovely 4-bedroom single-family condo in the desirable Great Neck neighborhood of Arbors at Cape Henry. Well-maintained home featuring vaulted ceilings, open floor plan, first floor bedroom and bath, large master bedroom offers vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet and large bath with shower and separate jetted tub. New carpet on stairway and upstairs and all interior freshly painted. Large fenced backyard. Large community pool provides nice summer entertainment. Close to Chesapeake Bay, restaurants, First Landing State Park, marina and major roads. For more information, review the details below.